Hi boys and girls, welcome to week 3 of virtual learning. I hope you've been having a lot of fun so far and enjoying your time at home with your families. This week in learning, you guys are really lucky. You're going to get to learn from all of the kindergarten teachers each day. So this week my job is to teach you guys math. And when we were still at Fernbrook in our classrooms, we were learning about addition, and you guys did a really great job with that, putting numbers together and amounts together. And now we're gonna move on to a different kind of math. This math is probably something you've already done before, whether you realize it or not. We're going to be measuring. So when we measure, we're talking about finding out the size of things or the amount of things, or how much of something that we have. So there's lots and lots of different tools that are used when measuring and lots of different reasons why we measure. I'm going to show you now some tools that I have here for measuring. Let's see. On my table here, I have lots of things that you've probably seen before. So we have a measuring cup. This is something that you probably see in your kitchen for when your mom or dad or you are cooking or baking. It's important to measure the ingredients that you use so that whatever you're making comes out right. This is just a different example of how measuring cups can look, different sizes. And then when you need small amounts of things, you might use something like this, a measuring spoon. I'm wondering if you've ever seen anything that looks like this. If you've ever had to take medicine in the past, this is something that mom or dad may have used to measure how much medicine they give you, because it's very important not to give you too much or too little. Over here, some other things you might see in your medicine cabinet. These are thermometers, because we can measure our temperature different ways. This one you use on your forehead, and this one you would put in your mouth to measure your temperature. So we do that if we're not feeling well, or when we go to the doctor, they take our temperature just to make sure we're nice and healthy. You may also have seen something that looks like this, a measuring tape, or like this, or a ruler. And these tools can be used by lots of different people. So someone who's building a house might need to use tools like that. Someone who makes clothing and needs to measure the size of people might need to use a measuring tape. Who else measures? Construction workers, engineers. And even I've measured my house before. If I want to buy furniture and make sure it fits in my room that I want to put it in, I have to measure and make sure there's enough space. One other tool for measuring that I have in my house is this here. It's a scale. Let's see if I can get it to work. So the scale can tell you how heavy something is. Okay, so that's how heavy my book is. And of course, you can step on a scale to measure your weight, which you've done at the doctor's office or maybe at your own house. So these are a lot of different measuring tools, and there's a lot more, and there's a lot more different things that you can measure. What I would like you to do after watching this video is I want you to check your lesson plans with mom and dad, and there is a video on YouTube, a song, the measurement song that you'll watch. It'll give you some more ideas about measuring and when we do it and how we do it. And then I would like you to make a list of all the different things that you can think of that are measured, and even how you would measure them. Maybe you know the name of the tool that you would use to measure. And you can either write the list and send it to me on Seesaw, or you can video yourself talking about all the things you thought of. All right, boys and girls, have fun, and tomorrow we will talk more about measuring. Bye-bye.